Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology welcomes you for the best choice of your career. Why choice of engineering is the best? Parents, guardians, and students of class 12 with science, I welcome you to this presentation why choice of engineering as a career is one of the best options. The first thought that comes to our mind is BTech degree in private engineering college is very costly. This is totally a wrong idea because of our lack of information and knowledge. Can you imagine that BTech degree can be acquired totally free of cost or by spending just 1 lakh in 4 years? For this, please listen to the video patiently. Let us take you for a virtual tour of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. It is one of the best destinations for engineering education in Kolkata, strategically placed in Southern Bypass and easily reachable from Garia and Baruipur. The nearest metro stations are Kaji Nazrul and Shahid Khudiram. Nearest railway station is Baruipur and it is also accessible by bus and autos. The college is approved by AICT and affiliated to MAKAUT, formerly WBUT, and it is also accredited by NAC and participates in NIRF ranking. The approved courses here are Mechanical Engineering 120, Electronics and Communication Engineering 90, Electrical and Electronics Engineering 60, Computer Science and Engineering 60, Civil Engineering 60. Apart from this, we have MBA 60 and Diploma Second Shift Mechanical Engineering 60 and Computer Science and Technology 60. Coming to the admission procedure, for BTech, the candidate should clear any 10+2 or higher secondary examination from any recognized board with minimum 45% marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics and English and should have a rank in WBJEE or JEE mains. For MBA, the candidate should be a graduate with a valid MAT, CMAT or JEE MAT score or rank. For diploma, the candidate should clear class 10 with a qualifying JEXPO mark and a minimum aggregate of 35% in physics, mathematics and English. The college is built on a sprawling campus of 3 acres of land in a quiet, green, eco-friendly ambience. The institute has a state-of-the-art infrastructure including air-conditioned classroom, well-equipped laboratories, computer centers, library, etc. The college also has seminar rooms and auditoriums of different capacities for hosting different types of programs. The practical classes are held in well-equipped laboratories and workshops with modern machinery, equipments and computers. Let's see few glimpses of various laboratories of different departments.
Let's hear what our Honorable Principal has to say. I assure all students who had taken up science with physics, chemistry and mathematics in class 12 that engineering is the best option to build your career even in this scenario instead of general science stream, as opportunities are abundant and options are wide. I urge the engineering aspirants who wish to pursue a successful career in engineering, you can choose Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology for reasons mentioned below. The fee structure is very affordable, even less than government-approved fees, and up to 50% scholarships are available for eligible students. The institute has a team of dedicated, experienced and highly qualified faculty members as per the norms of AICTE and MAKAUT.
The library is well stacked with books and journals and more than 40,000 books are available in the library. Apart from this, book bank facility is extended to all students and the students get 6 to 8 books per semester and they don't have to buy books for their engineering course. The fee structures. Scholarship. The institute full-fledged support to students so that they can pursue their higher education with scholarships. The various scholarships are Institute Scholarship, Swami Vivekananda Government Scholarship, Kanyashri, Merit cum Means Government Scholarship, Minority Government Scholarship, SC, ST, OBC scholarship, and apart from these, students can apply for Sitaram Jindal scholarship, and more than 200 students avail railway concession every semester. Now answer to the question how BTech degree can be done free of cost or at a very low cost. For example, a CAC student with 75% marks and a joint entrance rank will get 2,60,000 Swami Vivekananda government scholarship in 4 years, and so will have to pay just 92,000 in 4 years for the BTech degree. A mechanical civil EC and EEE student who already gets an institute scholarship of 20%, that is 70,000, and 75% marks and joint entrance rank will get 2,60,000 Swami Vivekananda scholarship. So the student will actually pay only 22,000 in 4 years for the BTech degree. A mechanical civil EC and EEE student who already got an institute scholarship of say 40,000, that is 1,40,000, and 75% marks and joint entrance rank will get 2,60,000 over 4 years. So after paying all his semester fees, he or she can save rupees 50,000 for studying BTech. Similarly, minority CSE students will get 1,20,000 in 4 years and will have to pay just 2,30,000 for the BTech. Similarly, minority students for mechanical, civil, EC and EEE will get 1,20,000 in 4 years apart from the available institute scholarship, and so on and so forth. The college has a separate, dedicated and highly motivated training and placement cell which is headed by highly experienced professionals. The training and placement cell guides and helps the students in industrial training, securing jobs by organizing on-campus, pool campus and off-campus drives. Special classes are arranged totally free of cost for soft skills, aptitude, corporate skill training, GATE preparation, business communication, personality development, mock interviews, group discussion and personal interviews to make the students job ready. Few snapshots of the placement status from the first batch, that is 2012 to 2019. Our achievements in placement over the years have been recognized by aspiring minds by awarding us the Performing Minds Award for outstanding efforts in drawing recruiters for campus placements. Our students have not only excelled in their university result by achieving gold, silver, bronze medals in university topper list, but their merit has also been recognized by highly accomplished professional bodies like NASSCOM. Our college is a totally ragging-free campus and there has been no incident of ragging till now.
The college has different facilities like hostel, bus, cafeteria, playground and all types of sports and cultural activity facilities. What our alumni have to say.
From EC Department of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. I have been completed my BTech from this college and I have been passed out on 2018, and now I am placed in PwC, which is PricewaterhouseCoopers India, and I am very happy to complete my BTech from here, and I had a very great experience and I had a very good faculty team, and all the principal and all each and every people over here are very supportive and they have supported me for my career and for a bright future. Thank you.
Hi, this is Arup Pradhan Das here. I passed from 2017 batch of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. I was from the CSE stream, and now currently I am placed in PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers India. So I am grateful for the college for everything it has given to me. Thank you.
I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. I am the student of Mechanical Engineering 2018 pass out. I got my job in BRG Steel Plant, BRG Iron and Steel Plant, and got this job from college. This college giving us very good job placements and having the too much very big facilities of environment. The environment of college is too good, and the education system, the teachers, faculty members are very good to cooperate us in getting our jobs and all the problems which are going through this.
Hi, this is Ahmadullah from CSE batch actually. I passed out in 2017, and after that, with the help of my college, I got a place into Franciscan Solutions. Later on, I took my chance and took my experiences with me, and I went to Bangalore, and I'm an employee of Flipkart right now. So my college really helped me to build my career, and I'm grateful to them.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Kaur, and I am a CSE pass out from 2017 batch from this first Swami Vivekananda College. And I really want to appreciate all the staff, all the principal ma'am, and all the office colleagues over here for the beautiful placement. I got in Franciscan Solutions Private Limited, previously, and now I am in TCS. So I am very grateful that I was a student over here.
I have completed my BTech from this college, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, in the year of 2018, and I placed in Mahaus Infotech. And I had a great experience in this college, and every teachers and the faculties are very supportive.
স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ ইনস্টিটিউট অফ সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজি থেকে মেকানিক্যাল নিয়ে বিটেক করেছি এবং 2018-তে পাস আউট হয়েছি, এবং গত 6 মাস আগে আমি কলেজ থেকে একটি প্লেসমেন্ট পেয়েছি, সেটা সানক্রাফট এনার্জি প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড, প্রপারলি সোলার বেসড কোম্পানি। পুরো ফিল্ডেই আমার কোর কোম্পানি। তো আমার কাজ করেও ভালো লাগছে, এবং কলেজ থেকে সবাইকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই, আমার ফ্যাকাল্টি মেম্বার্স, প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাম, ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
Hi, this is Durlabh Datta. Presently, I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. This is my final year, and I have already got placed in CTS, that is Cognizant Technical Solution, and Amazon. This college provides very impressive placements, and the faculty members are very supportive. I am very much grateful towards my college.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Kaur, and I am a CSE pass out from 2017 batch from this first Swami Vivekananda College. And I really want to appreciate all the staff, all the principal ma'am, and all the office colleagues over here for the beautiful placement. I got in Franciscan Solutions Private Limited previously, and now I am in TCS. So I am very grateful.
I am Jigojyoti Chatterjee. I have completed my BTech in CSE from this college in this year, and I am very much happy with the faculty members and all the teachers and our principal ma'am, our placement officers. I have got my job in Brainium Information Technology. I am very happy to work in the company.
Our hard work and sincerity towards imparting quality education was recognized, and our institute was bestowed with the prestigious Z Education Excellence Award.
বিবেকানন্দ গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউটস বারুইপুর। আসুন দেখা যাক এদের পথ চলা। এমন এক টপ নচ ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার যা জীবনের সঙ্গে সাফল্যের পরিচয় করায়। 2008 সালে নরেন্দ্রপুরে MBA পড়ুয়াদের জন্য ওয়ান স্টপ ডেস্টিনেশন হিসেবে তৈরি হয় স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউটস। এখানে MBA, BBA ও BTech ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ইনস্টিটিউট আছে। এছাড়াও একাধিক ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ, পলিটেকনিক কলেজে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পড়াশোনার সুযোগ রয়েছে। নিয়মিত পড়াশোনার পাশাপাশি স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ ইনস্টিটিউটে হাতে কলমে শিক্ষা, উন্নত মানের ল্যাবরেটরি, সুবিশাল লাইব্রেরির ব্যবস্থা আছে। এখানে ছাত্র সংখ্যা প্রায় 10,000 এবং পেশাগত সাফল্যের হার 70%। ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পেশাগত সব রকমের সহযোগিতার জন্য এবছর এডুকেশন এক্সেলেন্স দেওয়া হচ্ছে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউটসকে। আমি মঞ্চে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করব স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউটসের প্রিন্সিপাল ডক্টর সোনালী সরকারকে। ডক্টর সোনালী সরকার, আপনাকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি মঞ্চে আসার জন্য। একই সঙ্গে আমি মঞ্চে ডেকে নেব দুই আমাদের খুব প্রিয় পরিচালক অভিজিৎ গুহ এবং সুদেশনা রায়কে। সুদেশনাদি, অভিজিৎ দা, প্লিজ আসুন। আমি সুদেশনাদিকে অনুরোধ জানাবো পুষ্পস্তবক তুলে দিতে ডক্টর সোনালী সরকারের হাতে। অভিজিৎ দাকে অনুরোধ জানাবো। অভিজিৎ গুহ বিশিষ্ট পরিচালক মানপত্র তুলে দেবেন ডক্টর সোনালী সরকারের হাতে, এবং মাননীয় মন্ত্রী শ্রী শোভনদেব চট্টোপাধ্যায়কে অনুরোধ করব ট্রফিটি তুলে দিতে ডক্টর সোনালী সরকারের হাতে।
On behalf of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, I feel truly honored and privileged to be chosen for this award of excellence in academics from 24 Ghanta Zee Media, one of the leading media house of the country. And this will increase our responsibility even more. India has the workforce of the world, not just India as far as engineering is concerned. So the would-be engineers out there, I would like to assure you the engineering education is not at all in a bad state, rather it is in a much promising state, and you just have to increase your skill set. And that is all. I would like to thank you. 2017 and 18 for Best Technical Education and Skill Development.